Hi students, welcome to Samveda E-class. This is 6th standard mathematics, that is 6th chapter, integers. We discuss about integers in this class. Okay. Before we discuss about integers, we know about numbers, how they developed. Do you know how the numbers are developed? Why do we need numbers? What is the use of numbers? And these questions rise often everyone's mind. I think your mind also think about numbers. Okay. Then what is the solution for these questions? Then we must go back to the past age to know how these numbers are developed. How they developed. Okay. In the past age, they used many different symbols to count the animals, birds, peoples, men or women and objects also. For example, Babylonian number systems. See how they used symbols for 1, 2, 3, etc. Next, Egyptian numbers. See the Egyptian number system, how they used in past age. And next, Mayans numbers. These are Mayans numerals, how they used. Next, Romans numerals, then Greek numerals, and this is the modern numeral system. The symbols are difficult to keep in our memory to count the objects or anything. It is very difficult to count. Hence we used universally accepted the new number system, that is 1 to these numbers are called counting numbers. We see numbers everywhere around us for counting objects, for representing, for exchanging money or measuring the temperature or telling the time, etc. We use numbers in everywhere around us. Okay. Then the counting numbers are called natural numbers. These numbers that are used for counting objects are called natural numbers. This set of natural numbers is denoted by the symbol n. Therefore, which are natural numbers? The natural numbers n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. We can't count about it. It is infinity. Okay. These are all natural numbers. Shall we learn more about numbers through a story? Ravi and Raju are friends. Two friends are there, Ravi and Raju. Okay. After the school time, both have made a plan to go eat snacks. Hence they went to a bakery. Ravi had 25 rupees and Raju had 50 rupees. Each of them ate snacks worth rupees 25. They go to bakery and eat the snacks of 25 rupees each. Okay. Then what happens? And again Raju planned to drink juice, but Ravi rejected. Why? Then Raju asked the reason and Ravi replied that he has no money. Before he had 25 rupees which they spent on the snacks. Now he had nothing. Then both are discuss about nothing. What is nothing? Nothing means empty. Nothing means I have no money. That is nothing. That is empty. Okay. Then we need symbol to denote this nothing or empty. After discussion they decide it is denoted by 0. Denoted by as 0. This 0 is invented by Indian mathematician and astronomer Brahmagupta. When we used 0 in spite of nothing or empty, then the whole numbers formed. Then the after natural numbers, then whole numbers are formed. What is whole number? The natural numbers along with 0 form a set referred to as whole numbers. The whole numbers are the set of natural numbers along with the number 0. That is, however, 0 is an undefined identity that represents a null set or empty set or no result at all. 0 means no result at all. This set of whole numbers is denoted by the symbol W. Then the W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. These are all whole numbers. Next, Raju told not to worry, and he was ready to pay the bill which Ravi can return later as debt. Debt means in Kannada sala. Ravi agreed to debt money from Raju. Then after they go to juice shop, drink juice. Raju paid 24 rupees for juice. They go to juice shop, drink juice. Raju give the bill, 24 rupees bill. Then now can we say that how much money remaining with Raju or Ravi? Let us check. Raju has 50 rupees in us. He spends for snacks 25 rupees. What is remaining? Remaining is 25. Then 12 rupees juice. Then what is remaining? 13 rupees remaining in Raju. Then including 12 rupees debt in Ravi. In Ravi has 25 rupees. He eat snacks, 25 rupees snacks. Then what is remaining? 0, nothing. You have nothing. Then you go to juice. Then you drink juice. What is remaining in Ravi? That is minus 12. That means he must give 12 rupees back to Raju. That's debt. Debt means salanta. Okay. Then how can we represent 12 rupees of Raju's in Ravi? That's debt. Okay. Then that means Ravi must be returned 12 rupees to Raju. Debt is denoted as negative number. Very good. In this way, we learned about negative numbers which are developed as integers in number system. Integers. In this first session, we discuss about the meaning or definition of integers, the representation numbers with sign, representing integers on a number line, and last one, comparison of integers. In this first session, we discuss about these points. Okay. First, integers. The first numbers to be discovered, natural numbers. First discovered by natural numbers. Which are there? That is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then after, if we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we get a new collection of numbers known as whole numbers. That is W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then you have studied these numbers in the earlier chapter. Okay. Next, the sign that is used is the placement of a minus sign attached to the number. This indicates that numbers with a negative sign are less than 0. Which are negative sign, they are less than 0. These are called negative numbers. Understand it? Which are negative numbers? I think you are learn it. Now we find that there are negative numbers too. Then if you put the whole numbers and the negative numbers together, what happens? We get integers. The new collection of numbers will look like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Whole numbers, and negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. These collection of numbers is known as integers. Okay. Therefore, In this collection 1, 2, 3 etc. are said to be positive integers and -1, -2, -3 are said to be negative integers. This set of integers are denoted by the symbol Z. The Z is equal to these positive integers, this side negative integers. Okay. Next, natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0. Next, whole numbers. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. When natural numbers having 0, then we get whole numbers. Then negative numbers. When we know about negative numbers, then we learn about integers, that is negative integer, positive integer with 0. Take one symbol for natural numbers. This is the symbol for natural numbers. This is 0, and like this rectangle is a whole number. Then let us take this negative numbers as a triangle. Then integers are, this is integer, the pentagon. Let us see natural number, 0, whole numbers, negative numbers and integers. Then the collection of integers can be understood by the following diagram, in which all the earlier collection are included. Therefore, integers, this is the integer symbol. Integers having, yes, negative numbers, next whole numbers, next natural numbers with 0. This collection having integer, that is have 0, natural number, whole number and negative numbers. More about integers, we go some activity, then after we conclude meaning of integers. Students, see, this is natural numbers, Akshay Patra. Akshay Patra means they give many of them. If you take one, they give more numbers. We can't count it. They give many numbers. That is called Akshay Patra. Okay. This Akshay Patra having, that is numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. These are having 1 to infinity. We can't count it. These are all natural numbers. This is natural numbers, Akshay Patra. Okay. Next, we take whole numbers. Whole numbers having 0 with natural numbers. Is it 0 and natural numbers? Then we get whole numbers. After whole numbers, we take integers. That is negative integers. This is also a Akshay Patra. Take -1. These negative numbers, when we put this inside, then we get integers, that is positive natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers. When combined with these 3, we get integers. This is integers Akshay Patra. Representation of numbers with sign. We have seen that some numbers carry a minus sign. Okay. Then take an example. If you want to show Ravi's due amount to the Raju, we would write it as -12. That is debt. Okay. Then the height of a place above the sea level is denoted by positive numbers. The height becomes lesser and lesser as we go lower and lower. Thus, the below the surface of the sea level, we can denote the height by the negative numbers. Below the sea level, we denote it negative numbers. Then, if earnings are represented by positive sign, then the spending may be shown by the negative sign. Similarly, the temperature above the 0 degree is denoted as a positive sign and the temperature below the 0 degree is denoted by negative sign. Since the profit and loss are opposite situations, and if profit is represented by positive sign, then loss can be represented by negative sign, that is minus sign. Okay. Next, what is number line? How it represents? See, whole numbers 0 to etc. These are whole numbers, and negative numbers which are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. Combining these two, we get number line. Then the integers number line is, see, 0, this is right side, positive integers. This one is left side, negative integers. This one is 0, that is 0 is neither positive nor negative. This is number line. Representing integers on a number line. Example, -3, +4, -5, +6, -7 and +8. Represent these integers on a number line. Let us take, this is the number line. This is 0, this is positive integers, this is negative integers, right side, left side. -3, first one is -3, where we go? Left side. See here how they comes, 0 to -3, this is -3. Next, +4, yes, +4, that is +4, very good. Next, -5, where we go? Left side or right side? Left side, very good. See here, -5, this is -5. Then next number is +6, where we move? Yes, right side, that is +6. Then -7 is on left side, that is -7. Last one is +8, which side? That is the right side, very good. In right side, that is +8. I think you are understand about representing integers on a number line. Let us take one example. A1 toy kept at -3. In which direction and how many steps should we move to reach at -9? Second one, which number will we reach if we move 4 steps to the right of -6? 4 steps to the right of -6. Solution, this is the number line. Okay, this is the toy. First question, see, one toy is kept at a -3, this is the toy. Which direction and how many steps should we move to reach -9? Which direction we must move? Where is -9? Here. Then we must move to left side. How many steps? We jump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have to move 6 steps to the left of -3. Very good. Next question. Which number will we reach if we move 4 steps to the right of -6? There is the number line. Toy is at -6. Which side we move? Right side. Okay. How many steps? We move 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 steps, where is the toy? We reach -2 when we move 4 steps to the right of -6. I think you all understand it. Ordering of integers. Thus, we see that on a number line, the number increases as we move to the right and decreases as we move to the left. If you move right side, the value increases. If you move left side, the value decreases. Okay. Then therefore, -3 is less than -2, or minus 2 is greater than minus 3, and minus 1 is greater than minus 2, or minus 2 is less than minus 1. Then minus 1 is less than 0. 0 is greater than minus 1. Very good. Next, 0 and 1. Which is here greater? Yes, 1 is greater than 0. Next, 2 is greater than 1. Positive numbers we can identify easily, but here negative numbers. Carefully we answer it. Next, 3 is greater than 2, so on, etc. Hence, the collection of integers can be written as minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Take one example. Compare the following pair of numbers using greater symbol, this one, or less than symbol. Okay. Here they given 0 and minus 8. Which symbol we used here? Which is greater here? 0 or minus 8? 0 is greater than minus 8. Then for which symbol is comes? Yes, this one, greater symbol. 0 is greater than minus 8. Next one, 5 minus 5. In 5 and minus 5, which is greater? Plus 5 is greater than minus 5. 0 and 6. In 0 and 6, which is greater number? 6 is greater. Which symbol we used? 0 is less than plus 6. Okay. Next one, minus 1 and minus 15. Which is the greater number here? Yes, minus 1 is the greater. Very good. Next one, 11 and 15. In these two, which symbol we used here? Lesser symbol we used here. Which symbol? Lesser. That is 11 is less than 15. Then last one, minus 20 and plus 2. In these two, which is the largest number? Yes, plus 2 is the biggest number. That is minus 20 is less than 2. Next, we write the succeeding number of the following. Succeeding means next number, the greater number. Okay. Here the number are given here. Successor. What is the successor of 10? More than 10 is, that is 11. Very good. What is the successor of minus 5? That is next one, plus 1. That means, yes, minus 4 is the successor of minus 5. For 0, yes, 1 is the successor of 0. Write the predecessor number of the following. The given number here, 10 minus 5, 0. What is the predecessor? That means less than given number 1, 1 less than, that means 1 less. That means 10 is 9, very good. Therefore, minus 5 predecessor is minus 6, very good. For 0, that is minus 1, very good. Okay. Next, the following conclusion about ordering of integers. The every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. This is the first condition. Okay. Every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. Second one, 0 is less than every positive integers, and 0 is larger than every negative integers. Okay. Next, 0 is neither a negative integer nor a positive integer. Then further, a number from 0 on the right, larger is its value. Further, a number from 0 on the left, smaller is its value. Let us take one example. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it to locate the following points. This is the given figure. Okay. See, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Next question. Is point G is a negative integer or a positive integer? C. Write integers for points B and E. B and E. D. which point marked on this number line as the least value? That is last one. E. Arrange all the points in descending order of the value. Given number line, we take number line, given number line is this one. Okay, this is right side, left side, and positive integers, negative integers. This is the number line, we taken it. They given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, marked it. Okay, next, what is the first question? If point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? This is the number line. This is plus 8, D. D is the plus 8. What is minus 8? See, the minus 8 is F. Very good. If point D is plus 8, then the point F is minus 8. Okay. Next question. Is a point G a negative integer or a positive integer? Let us see. This is number line. G is here. According to number line, which side this one? This is in left side of 0. That is negative numbers. Okay. Therefore, left side. Negative integers. Therefore, point G is an negative integer, because a number from 0 on the left is negative integers. Okay. Next question. Write integers for the points B and E. Okay. This is number line. Here B is here, E is on left side of 0, then B is plus 4 and E is minus 10. Very good. Next one. Which point marked on this number line as the least value? When we move left to right, what happens? When we move from right to the given integer, then therefore the value increases. Then when we move left, what happens? When we move from left to the given integer, therefore their value decreases. Therefore the point E marked on this number line as the least value, that is E is equal to minus 10. Therefore in this number line, minus 10 is the least value they marked. Okay. Arrange all points in decreasing order of value. Decreasing order. Okay. This is the, we take one line. Which is the largest number? Yes, D is the largest. Next one, C is the less than D. Then B is less than C. And A is less than B. H is less than A. G is less than H. E is less than F. Therefore, this is the decreasing order. If we take their values, then what happens? Plus 8 is greater than plus 5, plus 5 is greater than plus 4, plus 4 is greater than plus 2, plus 2 is greater than minus 2, minus 2 is greater than minus 6, minus 6 is greater than minus 8, minus 8 is greater than minus 10. Okay, this is the decreasing order. This is first session. Okay, in this first session we learn about what is integers, their definition, and number line, and the relation between the integers. Okay. Next, home assignment. I will give some homework for recall your knowledge. This is for homework. Do it and check it by your teachers. Okay. Thank you, students. Be safe. Keep smiling. Keep always learning. Thank you.